Brahmaputra River, also called the Tsang Pu Brahmaputra. It is a transboundary river and one of the major rivers in Asia, with its source originating in Talong Tsu Lake in southwestern Tibet as the Yarlung Tsangpo River. The river flows through southern Tibet, through the Himalayas in great gorges, and into the state of Arunachal Pradesh, India, where it is known as Dihang. The river flows southwest through the Assam Valley at the Brahmaputra River and south through Bangladesh as the Jama River, not to be confused with the Yamuna River in India. It joins the vast Ganges Delta with the Padma, the main tributary of the Ganges, and then with the Meghna River before emptying into the Bay of Bengal, with its source originating in Talong Tsu Lake in southwestern Tibet as the Yarlung Tsangpo River. The river flows through southern Tibet, through the Himalayas in great gorges, and into the state of Arunachal Pradesh, India, where it's known as Dihang. The river flows southwest through the Assam Valley as the Brahmaputra River and south through Bangladesh as the Jamna River. It joins the vast Ganges Delta with the Padma, the main tributary of the Ganges, and then with the Meghna River before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. The Brahmaputra River, which extends approximately 1,800 miles in length, is an important river for irrigation and transportation. The average depth of the water in the river is 124 feet and its maximum depth is 380 feet. The river experiences catastrophic floods in the spring when the Himalayan snows melt. The average rate of water flow from the river is about 19,300 cubic meters per second, and floods can reach more than 100,000 cubic meters per second. The river is a classic example of a braided river and is highly susceptible to channel displacement and channel separation. It is also one of the few rivers in the world that shows a high tidal wave. It is navigable for most of length. The river flows in the Himalayas east of the Indo-Nepalese border, the south-central part of the Tibetan plateau over the Ganges Basin, the southern part of the Tibet, the Pitkai Boom Hills, the northern slopes of the Meghalaya Hills, the plains of Assam, and the northern part of Bangladesh. The basin, especially southern Tibet, is characterized by heavy rainfall. Mount Kanchenjunga is the only peak about 8,000 meters in the highest point in the Brahmaputra River basin. The upper course of the Brahmaputra River was known for a long time, and it was only when it was explored in 1884 and 86 that it was named Yarlung Tsangpo. The river is often called the Kangpo Brahmaputra River. The lower reaches are considered sacred to Hindus, while most rivers in the Indian subcontinent have female names. This one has a rare masculine name, meaning son of Brahma. In Sanskrit, Putra means son. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. WikiTube is the first audiovisual encyclopedia in the English version.